how long after having tattoo excision before I can go in a swimming pool? So, I mean, you want the bottom line is you kind of want to not have a dressing. I think that's kind of like the standard. You don't want to have a dressing. So to be fair, for most surgery that I do, tattoo excision included, there's dressings on for a week and then we take the dressing off. Now, having said that, when you take the dressing off, sometimes a little bit of blood and a little bit here and there, so you might need a bit of gauze. I mean, obviously, it depends on, difficult question to ask. It depends on where the tattoo is, depends on height, how tight it is, etc. But so 2 to 3 weeks, you would hope the wound will be dry. And once the wound's dry and you've got no, you don't, if you got sort of clothes on, you don't want to have sort of stuff on the clothes, if or certainly any dressings. So if once the wound's completely dry, then you can get in a swimming pool. The other thing is you don't really want to be putting on tension if you're going to be doing big swimming, proper swimming. So it's going to be about 4 to 6 weeks before you're doing proper swimming, depending on how tight it is. Most tattoo excisions are tight. By definition, you're excising a piece of skin. So most of them are tight. So you're not going to want to be doing proper swimming for, I would say, at least a month, maybe 6 weeks, just because the wound will be tight. But you can certainly get in the pool once the wound is dry, if you like. So I would say 2 to 3 weeks for that, depending on how it heals. And sometimes you get little bits that don't heal up very well, and there's a little raw bit, so that would mean you wouldn't be able to get into the swimming pool. But 2 to 3 weeks, I would say, is kind of normal.